Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a recent trade that we just took on CELG. This is a intraday day trade on some weekly options, and I'm going to go over exactly why we took the trade, when we took the trade, and when we sold, and hopefully you can learn something from this and help improve your own trading from watching this video. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage and get to know us a little bit better. If you like these free videos and trade reviews like the one that I'm about to do now, it's nothing in comparison to the profitable trade alerts that you're going to get once you sign up with the free 7-day trial. Once you sign up with that free 7-day trial, you will gain instant access to these profitable trade alerts like the one that I'm about to show you on CELG intraday weekly options. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you with your trading. Alright, so let's take a look at CELG. This is the 15-minute chart of CELG where every candlestick represents 15 minutes of trading, and this is today's action right here. Okay, this is yesterday's. Today's started right here, and you can see we opened right here and we got a big decline into a support level, and I'm going to show you that support level right here, and we posted this chart publicly in real time for you guys. So we posted this chart. We were looking for bounces off of this support. Here was that previous resistance there, here. Finally we broke over it here, but then look at right there, it turned into support again. Another thing is we have this uptrend line. Started here, got a bounce here, got a bounce here, and then it's just grinding up it right here. Didn't get a touch until this morning. So looking for calls against that support after we got our intraday signal. We got that right here on this action. You can see a hammer and then a strong close right here. With this green candle. I don't share our exact strategy that we use at thetradinganalyst.com. That strategy is reserved for members only. But we got a washout low and then a strong candle. That was the entry signal. We got long here on a slight retrace lower right about here. And I'll show you that alert right here. We alerted the CELG weekly 138 strike calls at 152 is the price of the contracts that we bought. And you can see we traded sideways for a little bit and then headed up to that 20-period simple moving average. And one part of that strategy that I will share with you is that when you see a big decline like this and a big separation from that 20-period simple moving average. The red line, just so you know, is the 20-period simple moving average on the 15-minute chart. So when we get a big separation from that 20-period simple moving average, and it takes a while to get to that 20-period simple moving average, that's where we like to take profits oftentimes. Because our method is very good at predicting the low of the day, but oftentimes, you're not going to get a huge reversal if you're getting this big of a drop down. So if you get this big of a drop down, we're not looking for as big of a reversal. Okay, we're just looking for a tag of that 20-period simple moving average. So I'll show you that alert right here. We exited the majority of our position here, 2/3 of the position at 172, and that was right here, right here. Okay, so it was right here on this candle. When we saw that it wasn't able to break over it, we exited right here for a nice little gain there on the day. That was about a 15% gain approximately on those calls here for an intraday trade. That's very, very good here. And we ended up holding a third of that position, looking for a potential continued breakout. So the idea behind our trading method is We want to sell most of the position at the 20-period simple moving average because we have back tested our strategy over hundreds and thousands of instances, and most of the time it gets rejected. In this case, where you get this big separation from the 20-period simple moving average, you get most of the time it ends up heading lower from there, and that's exactly what happened pretty much today. But you do want to hang on to some of that position because sometimes you get a huge reversal. Okay, so and that's how you maximize your trading, is you want to be holding on to some of that position just in case it trades higher. We don't have a crystal ball, okay? I don't have a crystal ball, you don't have a crystal ball, no one has a crystal ball, so we don't know when it's going to produce a huge move. But by holding on to a small piece, you're ensuring that you will be part of that move if it does occur. So in this case, like in most cases of this particular trade setup, we did not get that larger retrace here to the upside, and we ended up selling right around here on that last third as we broke below that 20-period simple moving average, and I'll show you that alert right here. Out the last third at 152, so that last third was out at about break even. So overall profitable trade, nice trade. We used our method systematically. We just sit here and wait for signals. Okay, good trading is boring trading, and that's what we do here. We just trade a particular setup here that has been proven to give us good results over time, and that's what happened today, just like it happens most of the time. So thank you for stopping by and watching that video, everyone. Again, if you're not already a member, sign up with the free 7-day trial, and once you sign up with that free 7-day trial, you're going to gain instant access to profitable trade alerts like the one that I just showed you on CELG weekly call options. And we're not just throwing out darts here on these alerts. We have a systematic method that is proven to work over time to give consistent gains on a daily and weekly basis. If this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, sign up right away with that free 7-day trial, and you're going to gain instant access to those trades like the one on CELG. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you as a member and help you with your trading.